on the Greek island of Evia, a dystopian scene. Tourists and residents rescued by boat from the beaches as wildfires rage out of control. And a similarly apocalyptic feel on the outskirts of Athens. Thousands forced to flee as the fires spread. This is what was left behind. The blaze, so intense it turned metal molten. Homes and livelihoods destroyed. Those returning to see the damage distraught. This man says he feels bitter. You can't understand unless it happens to you. Extreme weather across the Mediterranean has fueled wildfires. Here in Turkey, the EU sent planes to douse the flames, fanned by strong winds and a heat wave that's turned the land into a tinderbox. Turkey's turquoise coast now rages orange and red. Fires have burnt here for 8 days, killing at least 8 people, the government criticised for its response. In the village of Oren, firefighters tried to stop the flames reaching a nearby power plant. And in the Balkans too, they battle. Parts of Albania, Kosovo and Croatia all feeling the impact of the latest extreme weather event to hit Europe this summer. Rebecca Barry, ITV News.